University. My advisor assistant Professor Dr. Warinton Chabasiri. Today I would like to present about synthesis of sulfonamide chalcone as alpha glucosidase inhibitors. My presentation contains introduction, objectives, methods, result and discussion, conclusion, and acknowledgement. Introduction. Diabetes mellitus is a group of metabolic disorders that cause sustained high blood sugar levels. In diabetes mellitus type 1, the pancreas cannot produce the insulin hormone, so there are not the insulin hormone to allow the cell to use glucose to be energy. And in diabetes mellitus type 2, the pancreas can produce the insulin, but the cell cannot respond to the insulin property. So in here, the glucose still cannot use for energy in the cell. So the glucose will sustain in the blood, and they will give the diabetes mellitus. From people with diabetes mellitus will have diabetes complications like eye disease, renal failure, diabetic foot, stroke, heart damage, nerve disease, and atherosclerosis. From International Diabetes Federation, they predict around 51% diabetes will increase and around 200 million people in the world in 2045. So diabetes mellitus will be a big problem in the future. One step to solve this problem is alpha glucosidase inhibitors. Alpha glucosidase is enzyme to hydrolyze starch to be glucose in small instance. But this metabolism is big problem for people with diabetes mellitus. So we need to stop this metabolism with inhibitors like acarbose. But acarbose have side effects like gastrointestinal, diarrhea, and hepatitis. So we need to find the new candidate for alpha glucosidase inhibitors with good activity and small side effect. Chalcone have covalent 1,3-diaryl 2-propyne-1-enone, providing two phenyl rings connected by trans-enone bond, and already reported with enhanced KB inhibition, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and alpha glucosidase inhibitors. And the researcher tried to increase the activity and give more potential from chalcone, and then they connected the chalcone with the sulfonamide, and already reported for antibacterial, alpha glucosidase inhibitors, anti-cancer, and grugemalide. Objectives. In 2005, Seo et al. Synthesis aminochalcone and sulfonamide chalcone. They have idea from sulfonylureas aureus because sulfonylureas aureus have potential for anti-diabetic. We look the result. The sulfonamide can increase the activity of alpha glucosidase inhibitors. So my objective for this research is to study the effect of amino position on the ring A and to investigate the effect of monosubstituent on ring B, and also to see the effect of modification chalcone position on the inhibition of alpha glucosidase. From methods, synthesis of sulfonamide chalcone, 0.5 millimole sulfonamide acetophenone, and 1 millimole benzaldehyde I put in the room bottom, and I add 10 milliliter ethanol, and after that I continue at 2 equivalent sodium hydroxide, 6 normal, and I stay 24 hours in the room temperature, and I make pure use room chromatography column, and I got the sulfonamide chalcone with yellow color. And after that, I test the alpha glucosidase inhibition. 10 microliter of sample or positive control, and I add 40 microliter of enzyme, and I continue the incubation in the 37 degrees Celsius in the 10 minutes, and after that, I add 50 microliter of substrate, and I continue incubation around 20 minutes, and I stop the reaction with sodium carbonate 100 microliter, and after that, I read the absorbance with microplate reader in 405 nanometer. From this data, I can calculate the IC50. Research and discussion. inhibition effect of amino position on the ring A against alpha glucosidase. From this result, we look the activity better than acarbose. Acarbose is control for this research. But the better one is in the para position of amino with IC50 1.4 micromolar. Para position of amino I used to study the effect of substituent in the ring B. So I got the result like this. From this result, I have 2 points. The first about the position of substituent and about the type of substituent. And about the position in the third position of methoxy have good activity than 2 and 4 position with IC50 4.82 micromolar. And methoxy give good activity than chloro, bromo, and nitro. Methoxy is electron donating group and chloro, bromo, nitro is electron withdrawing group. So electron donating group give better activity than electron withdrawing group. After that, I continue to look about the effect of modification chalcone position. So from here is different position like before. I switch the chalcone with the secondary amine, but the sub-Paris price, the activity is lower the acarbose. So from here, I can know it's very important if chalcone directly connect with the secondary amine, like before, give good activity. So my conclusion for this research is para position of the secondary amine 3C give high inhibitory activity with ACVT 1.04 micromolar. The monomethoxy substituent in the third position of the ring B 3E affects the inhibitor activity of alpha glucosidase and electron donating group 3F exert a greater influence than electron withdrawing group. And the last, the secondary amine in the chalcone, when this sulfonyl was found is very important to increase the inhibitor activity of alpha glucosidase. So this proves the sulfonamide chalcone has enormous potential as alpha glucosidase inhibitor. So further research is needed to utilize this compound as medicinal ingredient. And in addition, this research open up opportunities to find the new compound that have better activity. Acknowledgement. So I would like to say thank you for Asian and non-Asian scholarship and all members of the Warrington Chapasiri Laboratory. Thank you for your kind attention.
Okay, thank you very much for your nice presentation. And this time is for question and comment. Any audience have any question? Is welcome.
Yes, we have 4 questions for you. The first one is, what is the mechanism of action of standard control acarbose?
Okay. The standard acarbose is a drug for the alpha glucosidase inhibitor. So we use the acarbose for look what the different the IC50 for acarbose and the new candidate. The mechanism is same with the inhibitor for the alpha glucosidase, but this acarbose because why I choose acarbose for the standard, because the first acarbose is drug for anti-diabetic and alpha glucosidase inhibitors, and the second because acarbose is many results about the alpha glucosidase inhibitor use acarbose for the standard. So I follow this for look what different the activity increase or not for the new candidate, my compound.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. For the next question is, why did the secondary amine at the ortho position reveal a role inhibition compared with the meta?
Okay, for this, in the amine position, right?
Yeah.
We look here, the ortho, the activity 76 times than para position, right?
Yes.
Yes, and also the meta 30 time. So the good one is the para position. So if we look the mechanism for with the enzyme, this the ortho and para and meta position can like because this inhibitor will make hydrogen bonding with the enzyme. So if we have here and this for the hydroxy here, the carbonyl is difficult to make bending. So why the activity decrease for ortho and meta. But if in the para position is like the amine here not have competition for make bending with the enzyme because this amine here and also sulfonyl here will make bending for the with the enzyme. So if sulfonyl, amine, and carbonyl near, so will make competition.
Okay. For the third question, could you tell me about the principle of alpha glucosidase inhibition assay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, from here we use the sample. Sample is the new candidate, and also the positive control is without the samples. And we have the enzyme, the alpha glucosidase, and the substrate is para nitrophenyl alpha D glucoperoxide. So the substrate, if we not put the samples, the inhibitor, so the enzyme will hydrolyze the substrate to be glucose and nitrophenyl. So nitrophenyl will we read the absorbance in the 405 nanometer. So the principle here, when we put the inhibitor, the alpha glucosidase will cannot hydrolyze the substrate. So the absorbance will lower like that.
Okay. The last question from the audience. Why did the sulfonamide chalcone have a higher inhibitory effect on alpha glucosidase activity than acarbose?
Okay, thank you. Because acarbose is similar uh, uh, with with carbohydrate or as with carbohydrate, what different the acarbose have amino the amino in the maybe I will show you about the acarbose. Okay, this acarbose have the amino here. So why sulfonamide give better activity? Because sulfonamide chalcone have better activity than acarbose because my compound, the sulfonamide chalcone, have many side effects like this the sulfonyl, amine, and then also the carbonyl, and also the we can control the substituent in the benzene ring of the chalcone ring and also in the sulfonamide ring. Different with the acarbose. The acarbose uh, have only hydroxy substituent in the benzene ring. So if we make the sulfonamide chalcone better activity, more better activity, so we need to learn about the effect of substituent. So this part I will continue to look and search the good substituent for activity for active the benzene ring to make the bending in the with enzyme because the benzene ring also make bending with the with the enzyme, so like that.
Okay, that's all for the audience question.
Okay, are there any question in here? If no one, could you go to the slide? I'm not sure, maybe slide number 10.
Yes.
Oh, yes. I want to know when the compound 3DEF, right?
Yes.
You see the inhibitor value is IC50 is the different, right? When you adjust the position of the methoxy group, right?
Yes.
I want to know why the 3E and F is very different.
Okay. So I think because this I will prove my opinion about this with the dimethoxy. So in the 3 position, this in here, right? So
yes,
in here, like have resonance like that. So if in the 4 position, the effect of in the substituent in the for make the strong carbonyl group make bending with the enzyme like that. If in the 2 position, this quiet near, so like the optimum about
yes,
the interaction with the carbonyl and then methoxy for the for make bending in the with enzyme, so difficult like that. So why the activity will increase in the 2 position like that. So for proof this opinion, so I continue with the dimethoxy in the 2-3 position like that.
Oh yeah, yes, that's good. Okay, and for the next slide, and you have chain right in the methyl group to the electron withdrawing group, right?
Yes.
Right, fluorine, choline, right? Fluoride, chloride, right? And what the reason why you choose it?
Okay, have to reason for here
Yes.
because before because not yet complete this story, so I didn't put in here. So I already try in the chance in the sulfonamide ring with the fluoro and chloro
Yes.
with 3,4 dimethoxy have good activity than this compound. So I want to know what happen if I change the chalcone ring and I switch the amino. So this verifies the activity.
Oh
Is
yeah, yeah.
amino,
That's I wanna ask you also why the position of the amino is different, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I see. And how about your opinion? So now you starting by using the sulfonamide, right?
Yes.
To add in your compound. And how about if I use the phosphoramide?
What?
Phosphoramide, you know? This is S, right? Sulfonyl, right?
Yes, sulfonyl.
If I change S into phosphorus,
Oh, phosphorus.
the phosphoramide, have you ever tried?
Never try, but sometime because this I think that because this sulfonamide is uh, if we make the like electron withdrawing group, like so
Yes.
this phosphate maybe similar, but I don't know if
Yeah, you have to try, right? If you wanna know, right?
yes, I think
Okay,
we
I
must
understand.
try. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, if no, maybe the time is out,
Yeah,
right?
we run out of time now.
Okay, so thank you very much, Mr. Putu, for your night presentation.